What?
Hello?
Hey, Jim.
I think you have the wrong number.
A prank call to Nova Scotia's Chief Medical Officer of Health. For 3 nights back in 2022, Dr. Robert Strang says people protesting COVID restrictions parked outside his home and called him continuously.
Robert?
They were shining lights into our rooms in our house. We have a son with a very complex disability. We were really on edge because once he's awake for the rest of the night.
2 people were charged with criminal harassment, mischief, making harassing phone calls, and intimidation of a health professional. One of them, Jeremy McKenzie, is the founder of the group Diagolon, which has been the subject of controversy in the House of Commons.
Diagolon stands against everything we stand for as Canadians.
And has been linked to the border blockade in Coutts, Alberta, and the trucker convoy in downtown Ottawa. Mackenzie declined to be interviewed. He was set to go to trial last week, but the charges against him were thrown out because of a Supreme Court of Canada ruling that says people have a right to go to trial within 18 months of their arrest.
It wasn't because of an acknowledgement or any condoning at all that the actions that were taken by those individuals was appropriate anyway.
Strang says harassment of healthcare workers is now dissuading some.
People are looking at, why would I want to be a Chief Medical Officer of Health?
There's no question it seems to be escalating.
The Canadian Medical Association lobbied for a law that came into force more than 2 years ago to protect healthcare providers, but its impact remains unclear.
I'm aware that some hospitals are considering putting metal detectors at their doors to avoid injury to their staff.
Strang says what took place outside his home left him feeling vulnerable, but his focus now is on asking Canadians to work together to prevent this kind of behavior. Kayla Hounsell, CBC News, Halifax.